You know when a partner cheat on you?
Start move away, man. You see me?
Move out.
You know, start lay 'em up with thing.
You know, see a boy Prince and I'm back in the place. We get a little update. You see it and a brand new camera. You see people so. There now we start one new video today. You know. Oh, you know when a partner cheat on you. That me I try to say. You see it. You see me. So I want to learn so I see steps and things. You see people so. Today we're gonna ask people. You see what go on. How they know them partner cheat on them and they explain to me. You see it and tell me what going on. So here we go into the video. You see it, people. What's your name?
Renee.
Alright, Renee. The question for today. Oh, you know when a partner cheat on you?
When they start move shaky,
Shaky like oh.
then call you like when I used to call you, text you. The vibes not there like one time.
Vibes. So when you're a partner, you always annoy you. Like you should say you need you, don't it?
Yeah.
Alright, so if you not annoy you, it means that somebody else did it.
Yeah.
Alright, thanks for the little heads up. You see, respect.
Dimitri.
Alright, Dimitri, the question for today. Oh, you know when a partner cheat on you?
No kill them.
You hear me say? Oh, you know when your partner cheat on you?
Oh, just go. Here, what? So you have your girlfriend.
Yeah.
Hey, dog, you know, just go and check up on her.
Check up.
She has so surprised, brother.
Yeah, check up on her.
Hey, dog, you go and look for her and think. See one day if I catch her with a next money. You just come, you know, come back again, brother. You just kill him.
You just kill him.
Hey, dog.
Kill him.
Eh?
Kill him.
Hey, dog, be a kill me, a kill, brother. Be a blood in there.
Boy, if you don't get right, Reggie, dog say that kill that. People. Am I that ugly? So, when you do some video, this is because we have a problem, you see it. So, me there. I look people, but you have to find, mom. William.
Ricardo Smith.
Alright, Ricardo Smith. The question for today. Oh, you know when a partner cheat on you?
Well, should I move different than them way there?
Shall I move different?
Eh.
Different how?
Like for instance, you know, like for instance, you get up, man time you get up after your breakfast, you know see nothing she gone. You know them way there?
So suppose she busy and she have to work, dog.
Well, can't know still no. You not go search her for her or nothing, but if you find out, you just don't say done there so.
Oh, real talk, me jeez. William.
Kyle.
Alright, me Jenna. So the question for today, oh you know when a partner cheat on you?
Start move away, man. You see me?
Move out.
You know, start lay 'em up with thing. You see me?
Lay up everything, lay up what thing?
The relationship, you see me?
Yeah.
You see?
So it's that mush.
No, you have to just change her, you see me? Just, yeah, man, just move him, you see me?
I get another one.
Get another one.
Quick.
Just like that.
What you mean? Yeah. Yo, my God.
What going?
You not even dog give me the healing. So what the boy, man? Alright. The question for today, oh you know when a partner cheat on you?
Well, you know, alright. You know your partner cheat on you know, so she start move away, no texting, no calling, you all go up on the last scene, you know, say all what? One day ago or something like that, so you see it, they chat, you start to say, but she no cute boy, you again, you see it, dog, so you know, dog, you see it.
Oh, so you switch it?
Get another one.
Oh, you mean the
Alright.
girl is... Don't know, so they made it to end of the video, you know. Don't know who me the Prince, okay, you see, so I want to do like, share and subscribe.